In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign using Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to do this, there's actually two ways. I'm going to show you both of them right now. The first one is when you open your document, you want to open this sidebar over here on the right by clicking on this arrow to actually see the tools. And here, you want to click on Fill and Sign. Now up top, you have an option which says Sign Yourself. So that's the first option. You can click Sign Yourself, and you can either add a signature or initials. Now the process from here on is the exact same. You can just click on either one you want. So I'm going to click signature, and then as you can see, I can type in the name, or of course draw it or use an image, which I'm going to go over in a few seconds. Or for initials, it's pretty much the same thing, just the exception that these are initials and that is a signature. So let's now add a signature. So I'm going to go and type in, for example, instant how to, and then I'm going to click on apply, and it's going to allow me to put it on. The second way is to draw it. So I could just go in, for example, type in like instant like this or whatever, and I could click apply, or I could upload an image. So if I take an image of my autograph, of my signature, of course, like I can take a photo with the phone, I can upload it to my computer, I can then put it in here, and it's going to work. So for example, I have one over here. If I click on open, there we go. As you can see, this is my signature. So we can use any of these you want, then click on apply, wait for like 3 seconds, and then you'll have it on your cursor, click anywhere, and there we go. You've successfully signed using Adobe Acrobat Reader. That's the first way to do it, okay? However, there's also one more way, which is certificates. So if you go to tools up top, here you can simply see certificates, click on it, and this is basically used to actually digitally sign. So if you click on digitally sign up top, you can click OK, and then with your left mouse button, you can draw a rectangle where you want your digital signature to be. There we go. Then you can select it, click on continue, and then you can review these things over here, and then just click on the sign button, and you can save it as a new document, and that's going to sign your document as well directly from inside Adobe Acrobat Reader. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.